Right now, I want $1 million US. If I send man voice of the real artist progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The man this and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.
Yo. What is up, guys? Guys, give me another reaction. Woo! There, guys, today we are with Squash Man. Yes, man, the 6 boss with real 6. Real mothercon 6, boy. Real mothercon 6. Yes. Big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. 6 boss. Let's go. Drop a like on this. Drop a like on the video. Drop a like on the video. Like your video. Oh, big up production team. JB, big up. West Banks record, big up.
West Bank. Young Spliff on the track.
Ready?
Should be 9x19 in a their face and squeeze it. Them can't chat to me a pass me a done man real rich. Me a tell me a real 6. Glock for me belly, me we squeeze it. Got Benz and be my 7 series. Coke and pussy me a deal with. That we bang down the line about 3 mil. Yo, killer where I real is. Call down his skull, get the payment. Drop 2 Porsche on the pavement. West Bank sign for me chain them. 6. Top money want for boss up. Celebrate for me riches, lift the glass up. I'm in a pocket.
Yo, pull up. Let's go.
Member says Squash make hit songs. Member says Squash find hit songs, on top of hit songs, on top of hit songs. Put some respect on the Bumble Classics boss. You hear me telling you? You hear me telling you? Ready again. Yes. Bats, big up yourself. Ready? Ready? Big up the females in the video. Gonna look good.
West.
Where you go? A real mothercon 6 boy.
Young Spliff.
Ready?
Should be 9x19 in a their face and squeeze it.
Should be 9x19 in them face and squeeze it.
6. Should be 9x19 in a their face and squeeze it. Them can't chat to me a pass me a done man real rich. Me a tell me a real 6. Glock for me belly, me we squeeze it. Got Benz and be my 7 series.
Yo, we have Benz and Bima. 7 series. No, 7 series, not serious. 7 series. We don't have no 1 series around here, so. Our car them Brad. Yes. Repeat after me. Our car them Brad. Yes. Luxurious. Brad. Again. Lord glad. 1-6 boss. 1-6 boss. No pussy.
West Bank.
Boss tell you say my boss. So no pussy no for game chat. None. Who did that for game chat? When it's at the top of the food chain. Ready?
Should be 9x19 in a
them
them face and squeeze it. Them can't chat to me a pass me a done man real rich. Me a tell me a real 6. Glock for me belly, me we squeeze it. Got Benz and be my 7 series. Coke and pussy me a deal with. That we bang down the line about 3 mil.
Coke and pussy we a deal with, brother. Money we a make and girl we a fuck. That he mean. Yes, he's selling the white lady. He's selling the coke. And he's fucking the pum-pums. He's fucking the hottest set of girls you are dreaming of. I'm a real 6. That's how I'm telling him. I'm a real 6.
Coke and pussy me a deal with. That we bang down the line about 3 mil. Yo, killer where I real is.
Yo, the boss said a 3 million bang down off island with these. You know why? Big food. Big food in my drag down. Him not drag down like a small food, no.
That we bang down the line about 3 mil. Yo, killer where I real is. Call down his skull, get the payment. Drop 2 Porsche on the pavement.
Hello? Hello? I Miss Jen. Call down his skull. Get the payment. Dropped not 1, but 2 Porsche on the pavement. I don't know normal Porsche now, then a dog.
Call down his skull, get the payment. Drop 2 Porsche on the pavement. West Bank sign for me chain them. 6. Top money want for boss up. Celebrate for me riches, lift the glass up. I'm in a poke any girl, so I'm not broke.
Me no fuck any girl, so me nah broke. What I mean by that? What I mean by that? Him not fuck any girl. So him not gonna get himself salt up. Cause some of them get like out of salt, you know, them bring bad luck to you, you know. You see me? Him can mean that way or him not fuck any girl, so him not broke, him not gonna come. You see me? Yes. Alright, so let's go.
Jamaica's worst game.
Celebrate for me riches, lift the glass up. I'm in a fuck any girl, so me nah broke. More well done, power free me dogs up. Killer hunter, you no know. 6 like a globe, that a something where me sure. Enemies a chat me one, but them out the road that the beret at the blow. Should be 9x19 in the day, them can't chat to me, me a boss, me a done man real rich. Me a tell me a real 6. Glock for me belly, me we squeeze it. Got Benz and be my 7 series. Coke and pussy me a deal with. That we bang down a line about 3 mil. Girl a bind for me wood like a biscuit. Brick with a big blick, though man.
Girl a bind pan the hood like a biscuit. Girl like a cream crackers like no, cream crackers too. Like a tough crackers, girl a bind pan the hood. See? She's biting. Somebody's daughter is biting on the hood like a tough crackers.
3 mil. Girl a bind for me wood like a biscuit. Brick with a big blick, though man a lit big. One on the picnic,
Brick with a big blicky. With a big blick, with a big strap. Oh, I'm here, man. Until the 9x19 with the chip Glock in 19, man. Come on.
Wood like a biscuit, brick with a big blick. Though man a lit big. One on the picnic. Murder me charge for me dog, me no mix. Fix this head bunny hit list. Head a boom from me no diss me. Satan cry in a history.
For your DCG, on head I go boom. Booming ball. Tennis ball, football, bumping ball. Head I go boom if you diss me. Satan cry.
Satan cry in a history. Should be 9x19 in a their face and squeeze it. Them can't chat to me, me a boss, me a done man real rich. Me a tell me a real 6. Glock for me belly, me we squeeze it. Got Benz and be my 7 series. Coke and pussy me a deal with. That we bang down a line about 3 mil. Killer we a realist. Call down the skull, get the payment. Drop 2 Porsche on the pavement.
Buckler. Rum. What do you think about that one? I wanna say. This a hit song or a miss song? Wanna say about that one? Me like it. This is Squash normal vibes. Squash just have that flow, have that melody, have that. Squash just know how to find song, bro. Squash know how to find song. Big up yourself, 6 boss. Big up yourself, 6 boss. People don't know if you do already, though. And I have to tell them another one, you know. So hear me, I say, I'll catch you guys on the next one, though. Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. If I send my advice to the real artist progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.